Alright guys, so I'm gonna give you guys a 7-day update on my Bobcat miner right now. I'm gonna show you guys my setup and how much I'm earning, okay? So let's go ahead and take a look. So here it is right here, guys. This is my Bobcat 300. This is my simple setup right here. And just to give you guys a little bit of perspective of how big this Bobcat is, this is my hand. I don't have a big hand. Look at that. It's that small. It's tiny. So when you get this item, because it's going to take a long time to receive this item, and for me it took about 8 months. Yeah, 8 months, because everything is back ordered right now. So it took 8 months for me to receive this, and I didn't know how small this thing was. This thing is very, very tiny. So this is my fist right there. That small. Okay, it's very tiny. So this is my setup. I got it plugged into my Ethernet cable. I got my power cable, and I also have my antenna cable. And my antenna is just right there. You guys see, I don't know if you guys can see it. There's my antenna right there, right by the window, away from the mesh, away from the wind, away from the TVs and everything, away from metals. Okay. So let's go ahead and jump into my app, and I'll show you guys how much I'm earning within the 7 days that I've had it installed. Okay. Let's go ahead and jump in. Alright guys, welcome back. So I am now on my app right here. As you can see, today's date is March 19, 2022. This marks exactly 7 days that I have installed my helium miner. So we're going to go ahead and go to my app. So we're going to access my app right here, just waiting for it to load. And I'll show you guys how much I'm earning, okay? So you're just going to click on the bottom left corner right here. It looks like 2 arrows. So click that, and you can see right there on my wallet I have $14.48. So that earnings equals to 7 days, 7 full days of having my helium miner installed at my house. So as you can see in the bottom right here, we'll go ahead and click mining rewards. And you're going to start seeing right here 2 hours ago, 5 hours ago. That's how much I've been getting paid every so often. So 2 hours, 5 hours, 6 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours. That's when I have witnesses happening through my helium miner. Okay. So 23 hours ago, 1 day ago, 1 day ago. As you can see, there's a lot of them. And it goes all the way back to about 7 days. 7 days ago. There we go. Right there. So with having this miner for about 7 days now, I've earned a total of $14.48. And let's see, I'll show you guys how many people are on my location, so you guys can see. So we'll click that. So there are 3 miners in my hexagon with a 4 dBi. And you can see right there, my miner's online. Hotspot witnessed. There you go. Seeing a whole bunch. Here's the earnings. 7 days, 14 days, 30 days. So an average earning. So my hotspot is pretty new right now. Okay, let's just go back right here. Swipe up. You can see my mining rewards. Payment transaction, don't have that. Hotspot transaction, no. Burn transaction, no. None of that. So if we calculate 1448 times 4, 14.48 times 4, that will equal to, a month. We come out to 57.92. Times that by 12, so we get about almost $700, right? So I will need at least 10 months to recover from what I have spent with my Bobcat miner. And the type of miner that I have is Bobcat. It's a Bobcat 300, and it's one of the best miners that there is out there. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you guys in the next video.